a strip from your website on Wix while keeping the content inside, follow these steps. Click on the strip you want to delete. Option 1. Right-click on the strip and choose Delete. Option 2. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. Deleting a strip without deleting the content. Click on each element inside the strip, like text, images, buttons, etc., while holding the Shift key to select multiple items at once. Once all elements are selected, you can right-click and choose Group. This groups them together, making it easier to move them as a single unit. Drag the selected content out of the strip and place it somewhere else on your page. Ensure that all elements are completely outside the strip boundary. Now that the content is out, click on the strip and delete it as described above. After deleting the strip, you can reposition the content elements wherever you want on your page. If the content was hard to see because of background colors, you might need to adjust the text color or the background color of the new section.